3, 2, 1, dig.
I'm excited for not just Riverside High School, but all of the high schools in the district. This Career Tech Ed Center will be a modern, state-of-the-art opportunity and provide access for students to pursue curricular paths that prepare them to leave school, high school, with a diploma and be ready to go right into the workforce and make a good standard of living.
I'm really excited because I started it this year as a junior, and I've learned so many things in just the past 2 months, and I'm excited to see all the new opportunities that are going to come to me and for the new classroom that we're going to have, because it's going to be bigger.
We're going to teach architect, we're going to teach welding, automotive tech. You've got the business side of it, you've got your cosmetology, you've got your culinary arts. There's so many that are coming, and I probably missed a handful too, so it's exciting. And the good part is, you know what, we share with the district.
You also have those exciting new areas like gaming, real estate, those type of things that really do give students who have decided maybe not to go to college right away after high school, but have decided to go into the workforce, not just to support themselves, but in some cases support families.
And you bring in all these schools, the 7 comprehensive high schools together at this place. It's amazing. It's good to have. It's just a good feeling to have that unity for YSD.